Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to share and send multiple pictures via WhatsApp on your iOS device. This is iPhone 14 Pro. So we go to WhatsApp application. Here we need to choose the person we want to send the multiple file, either photos or videos or both of them. I choose the person and then go to the plus, then go to photo and video library on your iOS device. Okay, here we got lots of files, so we can choose video or photos. So I choose one. You can send, but if you want to send multiple files, so all you have to do is to select and click on this plus button here, and then you can keep choosing what you want to choose. So there's videos and photos. This is an example. So how much you want, you can send 10 items selected, and then you click, you tap done, and then send here. Preparing, and it's going one by one. It goes all items, either videos or photos. This is how to send multiple files via WhatsApp on your iOS device to someone. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.